but I think I need to wear my glasses. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wacko came through and sent me a parcel. I already opened it, but they sent me a parcel and they sent me some stuff. They're still individually packaged. I haven't opened it yet, but we shall open it together, okay? Your products are gonna be safe, you don't have to worry. So the first thing that I got is drawing eyebrow from Etude House. It's this one. Because I do my brows. I mean, my brows look good naturally, but I just like to fill it in. I personally had never tried brown on my eyebrows, but I think that black looks better because it looks more natural, right? And I got Innisfree Vivid Cotton Ink. Ta-da! You guys can see lipstick marks from, never mind, but this is the color. It's number 18 and it's the MLBB shade, My Lips, but better. You can blur it out, see? It's like paint. You guys know I wear a lot of eyeliner. Eyeliner is my personality. Oh, my eyeliner from Etude House. Why am I so scared? There. It's dark. It's black. Last stuff from this small package is this one. It's so cute. It's a blush and it's in the code Booyah. Let me swatch it. Let me open it first. Twist. And it will come out. And you just stamp it on. Pink coral because I don't think orange suits my face, and there's a purple one too. It's cute, but I don't want to risk it because I've never tried it before, so I chose this color instead. It's that shade. I know this swatch is terrible and it doesn't do it justice, but trust me, it's nice. Ta-da! Peri Pera Ink Matte Blur Cushion. It's a cushion foundation in the code Honey Beige. It's the darkest coat. I mean, when I say darkest, it's darkest because, as you guys know, in Korea skincare or like Korean makeups, it always caters to pale skin tones and fair skin tones. So they only have 3 shades, and this is the darkest. Another one is the refill. So they give you a refill together with the cushion. Yes. Yeah, you can see my books, but it's okay. Oh my god, please match my shade. Oh my god, what if it doesn't? What do I do here? Oh wow, that is bright. And this is the darkest shade. So just a heads up, if you're you have darker skin than me, then don't buy it because it won't match you the darkest. Yeah, I sound like this when I'm focusing because I can't multitask. Yep. Good. Play Colorize Etude House in Cherry Blossom, and basically it has a lot of pink shades. Let's open it together, okay? Ta-da! Let me just like swatch one color. Let me swatch this one, okay? So that's the color. That's the color. That means, I mean, it's not super pigmented, but it's okay. It's okay for me because it's not expensive and the colors are beautiful, and it didn't like broke my bank. Although this is like sponsored, but it's good. It's good. The last item is not makeup related at all. W Dress Room. It's in the one of the most popular scent, which is April Cotton, because I need to have a perfume that I can like bring with me everywhere I want. They're not perfumes, they're colognes. This is a cologne. Buy it. It's a powdery smell. Like, it smells like my baby brother that just baru lepas mandi. As of now, I don't really like it because the smell is really not there, but it's there. You know what I mean? yeah. So those are the stuff that I got, and I shall create a look for you guys to see. So stay tuned till the end of the video. I mean, don't go look. Stay tuned for the makeup look, which is right after this. Okay. Say hi to my pimple. It's okay. Pimples are normal. And then what should we do? I think we should do blush because I look like I'm kind of dead. So starting off 2021 looking like an idiot. Is that a good idea? I'm going to use this one. This one. Yeah, I guess that's fine, right? I'm gonna do my eyeliner, so no, not my eyes. Ah, so dramatic. See, the thing is, I can't see without my glasses, and I'm just gonna continue poking my eye until my eyeliner makes sense. Can't stop crying, but I kind of did this, so I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay. Okay. To be honest, in real life it looks really bad, but on camera it's not that obvious. So I'm gonna take that to my advantage and proceed with the next step. So this is the finished look. I'm not close to being good at makeup, and this is my attempt of doing it. And yeah, this is the final look. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I'm sorry if you don't. But yeah, I'll take some pictures, and thank you for watching. Bye.